This is a review on the Champion wood chipper, 224cc unit, 4-stroke. Pretty good unit. Does 3-inch branches through this spout here and mulches leaves and small branches through here. I found if I'm chipping fir, it kind of bogs down on the 3-inch branches. Smaller branches, it's no problem, it just chews it right up. Another thing is if anything's wet that you're putting in this hopper up here, I found it will plug up. And so when it plugged up for me, I took these bolts out. This is where the cutters are, and I just had to scoop it out by hand, and it plugged in the discharge here as well. So you can see the cutters in there. Okay, here it is with the back open. So if you get something stuck in there, this is where you have to access it to get it out. I've had a couple of times where I've had to clear it out, mainly because the wood was wet and I put too much in this bigger hopper piece. So yeah, you just have to be aware of that. So I opened this up. It's supposed to be tied in here, but it allows it to kind of open a little bit more, and it kind of free flows, because it wants to put it into like a big pile right here, and it just kind of starts to build up, and then it starts blowing back in your face just off the ground. So that's something that I found it works a little better. It just allows it to spread a little bit more. Overall, it's a good chipper. The only negative thing I can say about this unit is it is hard to start. You really have to have some strength to pull it over. So if you can't pull it over, if you're not strong enough, then this definitely isn't the unit for you, because it takes some strength to pull it over. I'll show you what I've been chipping. It's mainly cedar branches and some fir branches is what I've been running through this unit. Okay, here's the kind of stuff that I'm chipping up. It's all the branches from the cedar trees I cut down. There's the big fir, bunch of the fir branches. Those are a lot harder to chip, but you just have to get rid of the small branches, and then chip the stalk up.